Shower some blessings. Yes, it does run us a falling. Shower some blessings. Alpha na Omega gi. Isa lesa bonye mbuno nyibazo. Malite mogo ya kantina sini muchibo. Oje ito. Alpha na Omega. Oje malite mogo ya kantina sini muchibo. Apa kisini ke buru mi boy.
Consolidation and continuity.
Hold on. When we say APC renewed hope, APC consolidation and continuity. No be so.
Na so.
1 to go. APC
renewed hope.
APC
consolidation and continuity.
Let me announce to the whole world that this is rally of APC in just one local government area. We have locked down the entire South local government area. No be so. Put your hands together.
Yeah.
Hold on. You remember that our song? APC Mere Bonkanyo.
APC Mere Bonkanyo. APC Mere Bonkanyo. Mere Bonkanyo. Everybody say APC. Yeah, APC.
Thank you. The chairman. The only lady chairman out of all the chairman of Ebonyi State local government. Duly elected, nothing mega. Congratulations. You've done very, very well. This is total mobilization. We want to see twice the number in Onitsha local government tomorrow. We will make a statement tomorrow. Will you hear us? We will make a statement of where we stand. The people of the South, we've made it before. We will repeat it. We will continue it. until victory is signed. No be so? To SIG, thank you very much. The son of the soil. Thank you, Professor Woke. Thank you very much. Thank you, Keneze. Thank you, Chineduaga. Thank you very much. Thank you, Gochima, and your dear wife. Thank you, my Lord